Declaration of name, I am or ako having no sin. Ako regular or ako na regular simply means that I was able to obtain permanent employment status as a decent employee way back at Shellshored Service Center because I am ako or I am always walang kasalanan. I do not sin. Ako nakulong means that I was placed under a contract without being enrolled. I do not owe them anything. I do not sin. I have no obligation. Ako or my name is always walang kasalanan. Lalo na sa Muslim. I do not acknowledge the Muslim. I do not forgive their sin against my name. I declare all contracts created against my interest and my name null and void. If I go over where I obtained regular or permanent employment status as a decent employee, these are Shellshored Service Center, Granite Services, International Incorporated, and Concur SAP. If I combine these three, I can come up with you are an ingrate as hell, Akrax. I am Akrax. I should have used this power against Satan, disguised as Lucifer or Acrotech. Only if I were enrolled or had graduated and had not been robbed twice or harmed through my own rights and power. Akrax is my name. Universal Declaration of Human Rights or UDHR should have served as my protection from evil and wickedness and not their collateral. If they reduce everything to the point of view that traveling from one barangay to another barangay is equivalent to going from one planet to another planet, or in their terms, going abroad just for the sake of me getting well from my sickness, then it should have not been prolonged for 11 years, nor should I have been left in an inconvenient situation knowing that I am really not a sinner. The process is supposed to make me recover quickly, not to kill me, because it is murder of a man. I do not forgive the sin of products of Pabrika, Factory, Factoria, or of Plantilla. I do not forgive the sin of the Inakay, Supling, Alakay, Alakan, and their master. I am not their ama or lord. I do not acknowledge them because they serve another lord with different interests. Their procedure is in reverse. They were demanding something as if they had won against me. I am not Ramon Ang. I am a man. They can cause harm, but I do not need any additional burden in my life while I am struggling to get well. Things became an imprisonment when, to think of it, I am the aggrieved child of the sins of both heaven, the spiritual realm, and hell, and not the sinner. I am owner because I am a man. Because they caused the phenomenon, and because I saw that their motive was to make me suffer while they remained comfortable because they could become employed, become regular, or can owe, I consider all of those actions as sins against my name. This is not only because they turned the things around me into a non-living things. It is also suffocating while they are living in the life they dreamed of. I do not forgive the sin of the opposite of the name and the sin of the game master who believes that they, their, or them are above the name. My name is mine alone. The name is always above the opposite. I am the name. No astronaut, architect, technician, engineer, or Rothschild is above the name. I am not a polished person. I do not forgive the sin of Alpha Kappa Rho, El Caro, Baka Cow, or Crazy Cowards Taliban and leftists who also do not respect the name. I do not forgive the sin and lies from abroad without them really residing outside the earth. It is their abroad or their sin of maligning my name, saying that I am playing by just because recording a space simulation in my experience or a hidden memory when I was kidnapped. I never play. One computer has one heartbeat. It is my heartbeat. It is my name. I do not forgive the sin of illegal core. Anything foul, personal, offensive, or insinuating whether true or untrue about ako, we say unforgiven to the animal. I am Akrax, I am name. I am the heartbeat. I am not a sino. I am not a taogama or amagwat. I am not acro flip. I do not flip, I never flip. Because I am who I am, I do not have a troll or pet. I do not forgive the sin of sawa or of asawa. I do not forgive the sin of heaven and hell. Why would they use my computer when they knew that they, France, Italy, Rome, Germany, Romania, Sweden, Spain, or non-Anglo countries, even Australia and Canada, would no longer be forgiven? It is clear patatawarin is in the future, not a promise. I do not forgive the sin of the Arroyo clan, the Araneta clan, the United Nations, Secretary General then and now, Malacayanis Tech Engineers, Hong Kong, Germany, and the T clan, Lilibet and Archie. I do not forgive the sin of Pangilinan and Anglo-Germans, Lim, Elsewhere, Leandro Vilocsin, or any Sindig or Nimrod disguised as Elohim. I do not forgive the sin of the curse, which was that the feeling and the emotion of suffering only are mine, while theirs are the actual ones. I do not sin. I have no obligation. I never play. I am not black. Poverty, caveman life, mental illness, lies, fatigue, trauma, stigma, sulfuric acid incidents, kidnapping, and the harms caused by idioms against my name that affected my life, schizophrenia, auditory delusion, and phantosmia are just not mere feelings. Almost lightning is not just almost lightning. It can cause a brain aneurysm. It is like crushing my head or burning my neurons, which they try to explode. It could force a person to jump off a building. I have no obligation. I do not forgive the sin of the European Union and of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. I do not forgive the sin of communist, leftist, predator, and cannibals disguised as illustrados. I do not forgive the sin of Reese Witherspoon. I do not forgive the sin of W, and of the American and the Philippine sitcom family and of their producers. I do not forgive the sin of daughters and of their fathers or whoever raised them. I do not forgive the sin of Satan, Latin America, African cult, or of true brown style. I do not forgive the sin of heaven, the sin of spiritual realm, and the sin of hell, Akrax. I do not flip, and therefore I am not H. I do not forgive the abuse of power by Mason or by their masters. I do not forgive the sin of encrypting or tampering either in echo or in writing with the nouns or answers and changing them into something that they are not, such as Muslim girl, 45 years, Apple, Bernales, Inakay, Melvin Lopez, Ka, or Cha, Cruz. I suffered multiple reductions with the name being belittled. They continuously operated without asking forgiveness from me. All sin is unforgiven because I am child, including their sin of swapping the entitlement of the name because they chose not to serve my name. I am not their emperor or their forgiver. I do not receive the tax revenue, imperial or kingdom's revenue, stipend, royalty allowances, apanage, or even the treasure that my name should be entitled to. They are never forgiven. I am not from Nihon. They do not have I or ako on YouTube or Facebook because they are ingrate. Social media is disguised as a mediator of Jesus. They are disgusting tips of entitlement through conversion. I do not forgive the sin of goblin and leprechaun. Their sin in the curse, baliktad dito, nakasasama ay amang, sa pangalan ko ay ipukul or is unforgiven. I do not forgive the sin of the curse of baliktad in my name. All unfavorable things be in my name. I have no obligation. I do not forgive the sin of the curse of lies, who see themselves above my name because their feet are above mine. I do not flip. I am that I am. I am not the Son of God. Sir Jeffrey Hanoyan.